The first step to avoiding financial mistakes is to create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Assign specific amounts for necessities, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Allocate a portion for savings and investments, and set aside money for discretionary spending. Creating a budget helps you stay in control of your money and ensures you're living within your means. Next, let's talk about saving for emergencies. Building an emergency fund is crucial because unexpected expenses can quickly derail your financial stability. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a safety net and protect you from going into debt in case of emergencies like medical bills or job loss. Tip number 3, pay off high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt or high-interest loans, prioritize paying them off. High-interest debt can quickly accumulate and become a financial burden. Utilize the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to tackle your debt systematically. By paying off debt early, you save money on interest and gain financial freedom. Another important tip is to start investing early. Compound interest is your best friend when it comes to growing wealth. Take advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA. Start contributing as early as possible, even if it's a small amount. Time is on your side, and the earlier you start, the more your investments can grow. Let's talk about the importance of building credit responsibly. Establishing good credit habits in your 20s sets you up for future financial opportunities. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and be cautious about taking on unnecessary debt. Building a solid credit history will help you qualify for better interest rates and access to loans when needed. Tip number 6, don't neglect insurance. In your 20s, it's easy to overlook insurance needs. However, having appropriate coverage is crucial. Consider health insurance, renters or homeowners insurance, and car insurance if you own a vehicle. Insurance protects you from unexpected expenses and provides peace of mind. Next, it's important to prioritize your long-term goals. In your 20s, retirement may seem far away, but it's never too early to start saving for it. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts and take advantage of any employer matching programs. Setting aside money for the future ensures you'll have a comfortable retirement and financial security. Another vital tip is to be mindful of lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's tempting to increase your spending on luxury items or unnecessary expenses. However, avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. Instead, focus on saving and investing a portion of your increased income. By keeping your expenses in check, you can save more, build wealth faster, and have more financial freedom in the long run. Lastly, surround yourself with the right financial influences. Choose your friends and associates wisely. Surround yourself with individuals who have similar financial goals and values. Seek out mentors or join communities that support your financial aspirations. By surrounding yourself with like-minded people, you'll be inspired and motivated to make sound financial choices.